to my channel and welcome to my bathroom. Yeah, that sounds very presumptuous, I know, but today I am going to be doing a bathroom tour, just showing you around my bathroom and what's in my bathroom basically. How else am I supposed to describe a bathroom tour? I've done a room tour before showing you what's in my bedroom, but today I'm just going to be showing you around my bathroom. So, let's get into this bathroom tour. So here we go, we're about to go into my bathroom. Here is the wooden door that you close when you're in there, but no one's in there. So, in that case, we open it and voila, my bathroom. Let's close the door and flick on the light switch, which turns on the light. And then if we're having a shower, we can just flick on the fan switch, which turns on the fan. And also usually if we're having a shower, you can just flick the heat switch on, which turns on the heat. But for this video, we just need the light. There's also a lock on the door, which you can lock just to make sure no one walks in on you. And then we've just got some hooks there. There's an old little button up there that can be used when someone wants to dye their hair. And then some towels that we use to dry ourselves after the shower. They're such cool designs, aren't they? And they're also made out of really good quality fabric. So we've got the towels, then we've got this little temperature thing, which also has a clock on it. These are the hot water temperatures for some things. Not exactly sure what is what, but no worries, there we go. And then we've got some outlets, plus a little extra light that you can flip on in the middle. That's typically if you're doing something at the sink. And then I've just got my camera charger plugged in there. As when I was filming this video, my camera was on very low battery. So if the camera was going to die, I could just plug the charger in. Here's a little tour of our bathroom sink. So we've got an electric toothbrush, which is just so much better than a regular toothbrush. It really helps brush away the nasty stuff on your teeth. So we've got that, and then some toothpaste, my tooth mousse, which is also a huge help in stopping plaque build up on my teeth, and then just some other stuff that isn't mine. And then we've got hand soap. Again, just a few products here and there, including Vaseline and Paw Paw as my lips get really dry, and Ulcer gel and some floss, and then a sad little toothbrush that I don't think ever gets used, as well as a bit of mini toothpaste, which is reaching the end of its run. This used to be where we dry our hands, but it's just a little inconvenient. And there's the mirror, there's me, hello. We'll just scoot a little to the other side, and there we've got another little rack there. So we've got our brush and hairdryer in one thing, and this is where we dry our hands. It's just easier to access in that tiny little space, as well as some tools and chemicals to clean the bathroom with. And we've also got a little bucket there that we put under the ceiling every time we get a huge rainstorm, as that has been known to happen, and the last thing we want is water leaking all over our bathroom. And by the way, there's the ceiling, and that's where the light from that little outlet comes from. So we've also got a bin, which you probably don't need to see inside. And then scooting back the other way, under the sink, there is a scale that we can weigh ourselves on. This is my current weight. 50 kilos. I know it looks like it says grams. That's actually supposed to be another zero. So it's meant to be 50.0 and then obviously kilos. So that just lives under there along with a brush, a broken tile, and then moving to the main cabinet. So I've just got some basic stuff in here, some nail polish, some cotton buds, cotton tips, toner, soap, containers. There's the sink pipe, I think, and then some other stuff, some hand and face cream, perfume, some more floss, saline spray, tissues, deodorant, lotions, all that stuff. Then we move over to the top drawer, and that's mainly got some soap, disclosing tablets, some makeup and essential oils, which are not mine. And then the second drawer, none of that stuff in there is mine, so I won't go showing this on the internet. The bottom drawer, however, is mine. So we've got some bath bombs, which I should probably use, hairbrush, scissors in case I want to do another haircut, which probably won't be for a while, my cleansers and moisturizers, curl defining cream, some more hairbrushes and combs. That's all that's in my drawer. And then we've got the bath mat sort of things, so when you step out of the shower, less water gets onto the ground. And here is my shower and bath in one, so if you just open that little window there, there's the shower head, and if you might remember in one of my vlogs a couple of years ago, the thing that was connecting to the shower head broke off, so we had to improvise a little bit until we got it fixed. Surprise, we have not gotten it fixed, so we're still doing this temporary fix, and it's been working for a couple of years now, so hopefully it can last until we actually do something about it. Or maybe we won't, I don't know. That's where you could put the soap, but we don't. There's the tap. So thing at the bottom, you turn the water on and control the temperature with it. And then the thing at the top you pull out and it turns on the bath tap, and again you can adjust the temperature with the bottom tap. And then this is not just a regular bath, it's a spa bath. And so when you turn that little button on there, it will activate those little spa things, whatever they're called. Like, it makes like bubbles, and it makes you feel like you're in an actual spa place rather than your own home. And then this is where we store our soaps. Got this handmade soap there. I've just got some products scattered along this area. So, you know, some shampoo, conditioner, facial scrub, cleansers, shaving gel, pumice stones, I think they're called. I'm not 100% sure. And then most of those products over there are mine. And then we've also got the window there. It's not see-through, so if anyone was walking out there, they wouldn't be able to see a thing. And then bringing everything back around, that is my bathroom. Let's just turn that light off and leave the bathroom. And there you go. That's a tour of my bathroom. So that is it for my bathroom tour. Well, for one of the bathrooms in this house anyway. We do have another bathroom, and of course we also have more rooms in the house. So let me know if you'd like to see some tours of some more rooms in my house. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. So, till next time, in the next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.